Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about the future tense in the Egyptian dialect. If you haven't watched the present tense in our curriculum, please return back to that video and watch it, as it's a very important video to build on before watching that video. So please, if you haven't watched the video, return back in our playlist and watch it. We're still in chapter 3. Now it's the future tense topic 5. Please, if you haven't watched chapter 3, please return back and watch it from our playlist on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed our channel, do that now, please. Before learning the future tense, you have to know that the classic way in the present tense is the base of our topic today. You have to memorize which pronouns take which prefix, because as you can see in Arabic, we add a prefix which is a letter to the classic way in the present tense according to the personal pronouns. Like يلعب, we only add the prefix ها to the classic way in the present tense. Like what? يلعب, هو يلعب. I will say هو هيلعب. So I just added ها. هو هيلعب. So if you memorize the present tense with the classic way, it will be very easy to you. Just add a ha at the beginning of the verb. Let's learn the steps to change any verb to the future tense. Keep in mind, you have to learn the present tense, because the first step is making the verb in the present tense, the classic form, which doesn't contain a ba. So when you put the verb in the present tense with the suitable pronouns, it's the first step in the future tense. Then you just add a ha. That's it. Very easy. The personal pronouns, the 6 pronouns which we already learned together, those are the present tense prefix, and that's how we make them in the present tense. أنا ألعب, هو يلعب, هي تلعب. Then I will just add a ha. But take care with أنا, I remove the alif. I say أنا هلعب, not أنا هألعب. We say أنا هلعب, so we remove the alif and we make it only ha. So أنا هلعب, هو هيلعب, هي هتلعب. And don't forget, in NT we add a ye at the end because we are directing our speech to a female. There are key words to know that we are talking about the future. The first one is tomorrow. بكرة. بكرة. أنا هلعب كورة بكرة. I will play football tomorrow. أنا هلعب كورة بكرة. هو هيلعب كورة بكرة. The next one is after. Like saying, after 1 week I will do that. After 1 month. After 1 year. So after means بعد. We already learned it before. بعد. بعد الأكل. After food. بعد الأكل أنا هلعب كورة. After eating I will play food. بعد الأكل أنا هروح الشغل. After eating I will go to work. بعد بكرة. After tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. بعد بكرة أنا هذاكر. I will study. بعد يوم or بعد شهر. شهر means month. بعد شهر أنا هجري. I will run after 1 month. هو هيشتغل بعد شهر. So I just added the ha and the ya from the present tense, and بعد is a future keyword. The next keyword is next. Next means الجاي. So I can say الأسبوع, which means week, or السنة, which means year. We already learned it before. عندك كام سنة. So الأسبوع الجاي هنلعب كورة. Next week we will play football. الشهر الجاي I have exams. الشهر الجاي عندي امتحانات. امتحانات means exams. السنة الجاية هكون أكبر. Next year I will be older. هكون أكبر. هكون, the verb يكون, which we learned in describing the feelings topic. هكون أكبر. So بكرة, بعد بكرة, بعد شهر, بعد يوم, الجاي, الأسبوع الجاي, الشهر الجاي. السنة is feminine, so I can't say السنة الجاي. I have to say السنة الجاية. So الجاي means next. There is an exception in using the future tense with the verb want. We say it هعوز. أنا هعوز. هعوز is عايز, but in the future tense. We write it like that. هعوز. And keep in mind, as we mentioned in the present tense, عايز is a verb which when we use, it's considered as a first verb. So the verb after it will be in the classic form. The same happens in the future. When I use house, the verb after it has to be in the present tense and has to be in the classic form. So house ألعب. I want to play in the future. House ألعب. I want to do something in the future. House آكل. I want to eat in the future. أنا عاوز آكل بعد ساعة. ساعة means hour. أنا عاوز آكل بعد ساعة. So when you use the verb house, we consider it as a first verb. So anything comes after it has to be in the present form, the classic way, without adding anything. Let's practice the future tense in some verbs together. يشرب. If I said أنا, it will be أنا هشرب. هو هيشرب. إحنا takes a noun, so إحنا هنشرب. أنتي هتشربي. هي هتشرب. يجري. هو هيجري. إحنا هنجري. هي هتجري. هو هيمشي. إحنا هنمشي. You already know the meanings of those verbs in the daily routine topic or in the present tense topic. You can do the rest as a homework and send them to me on my Instagram account or my Facebook page. To sum up the future tense, it's just memorizing the present tense prefix in the classic way and then adding a ha. With one exception, with أنا, I don't say ألف or a ba, I just add a ha to the verb هلعب, هاكل, هشرب. And even if you used any verb in the future form as the first verb, the next verb will be in the present tense, the classic way. That's the future tense, an easy topic, and you will use it a lot. Memorize the keywords, memorize the present tense prefix, and it will be done. Shukran, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. مع السلامة.